Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today, I would give you a brief introduction of Angular. So guys, let's get into the content. Angular is a framework to build single-page application using HTML and TypeScript. Scripting is being done using TypeScript language. Here functionality is implemented and imported into the applications as a set of TypeScript libraries. Now the question is, how is it different from other languages? Usually the legacy applications are built in such a way that we had to build multiple pages and we had to navigate to different pages for each and every functionality. But by using Angular, we can integrate multiple functionalities in a single page. It basically looks like mobile application, as the response is very fast. Now we have Angularjs and Angular with many versions like Angular 2, Angular 4. And likewise now we have Angular 9. They are just called as Angular but not Angularjs. As there were few issues with Angularjs, gradually people started using version of Angular programming language. Basically Angularjs is completely different from Angular. Angularjs has been completely rewritten and Angular versional changes do not have major difference. It only come with minor changes. I will continue the remaining topics of course Angular in upcoming videos. Until then keep learning and make learning fun. Do share your views on this video and also share your thoughts in comment section. I hope you liked the video. We'll see you soon with another video. Until then stay safe and healthy. Thank you.